My name is Ahmad Ezwan and I'm working at Ministry of Rural Development in Malaysia and work as an IT officer. My Ministry of Rural Development is responsible for rural development, regional development, community development, Bumi Putra, orang asli, rubber industry smallholders, land consolidation and also land rehabilitation. Well, we are running on 3-tier architecture platform back then, and we face issues like performance bottleneck, a single point of failure for the storage, and difficult management because we have virtualization platform and also some physical servers. The renewal for the previous virtualization is quite expensive though, even though the feature is limited. We are using Sangfor HCI at the moment. The consolidation by Sangfor HCI basically solves all the issues that we have. The performance is better because VM can now direct access the data from the same appliance. The HCI comes with 2 data copies redundancy to cater for hard disk and data failures. And then the automated HA greatly minimizes our business downtime if there is a server failure. And furthermore, Sangfor HCI is able to integrate and work well with the backup solution that we are using currently. Well, the delivery was fast, implementation was smooth. During the migration, we did face some issues with the VM operating system, but Sangfor managed to solve it in a very short time. Sangfor's support and service is better than my expectations. As a principal, Sangfor managed to fulfill most of the requests from KPLB, no matter from technical or commercial-wise. Probably yes, Sangfor just launched the MCS in Malaysia. It is an advantage to have a local data center, especially for government agencies. And we look forward to know more about cloud solution from Sangfor.